Hello and welcome to How to End Your Day in 3 Simple Steps. Thank you for letting me support you. Let's start with the exercise now. I recommend to do this exercise just before you sleep because this time frame is crucial to program your subconscious mind. In the first step, realize what you are thankful for and list 10 things that happened throughout your day. It can be little things, like the sunshine in the morning or a smile of a person next to you. It can be a simple cup of coffee or tea that you're grateful for. It can be also an achievement of yours throughout the day. Just list the things and the situations you're truly grateful for on a sheet of paper or a notebook. 10 in total. If you do this, you will train yourself to see and realize more things you can be grateful for in the future. This will practically attract the things you're grateful for. The second step. List the 3 main goals that you want to achieve the next day. It can be some practical things that you want to prepare or want to achieve next day. By just noting these goals, you created a personal guideline and set your priorities for the day, which is really beneficial. That will help you to not get into the routines that might not even be beneficial for you. So focus on the things you want to achieve next day. Break big tasks down to little steps and list them so you have a realistic feeling of what you can achieve next day. The third step. Connect with your ideal self, the best version of you. What are you doing every day being the best version of you? How are you getting along with others? How much money do you make? How is your health? How much time do you spend with friends and family? What are your goals? What is the ideal you contribute to help others? What is your service to others? You remind yourself of your ideal self by writing the things down you would like to have and experience. By connecting with these thoughts in combination with a desire and the feeling of gratitude, you can manifest them in your life. If you know what you want, you always have an idea to act upon. Your subconscious mind will help you to achieve what you want by presenting you the situations that benefit you. That was the session How to End Your Day in 3 Simple Steps to program your subconscious mind in a positive way. I hope this was beneficial to you. Try it out for at least 21 days to form that new habit and enjoy the process. Thank you.